Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, you know, I really hate doing these videos. Man, we had another really crappy day today, and it's just like, I'm beginning to sound like a broken record. The Dow is, drifting sideways again. Last time it drifted sideways for 2 days up right here. Then it really collapsed yesterday. I'm going to call it down tomorrow. It just won't. It can't get any traction here. If it can't get traction, it's probably going down. Officially, Dow closed down 50 points today, but it looks to me like it's just sideways action. And again, the reason for being so pessimistic is I'm not seeing anything happening with our portfolio of 55-some stocks. I mean, just nothing's happening. There's no buying in this market at all that I can see. I'll show you kind of what I should give you the statistics. We closed out a negative $10,000. We only had like 2 positions, 3 positions, and even with so few positions, we end up getting exposed very badly because we had one really bad one. I'll show you that in a second. And we have, I think, 4 positions going into tomorrow. 3 are negative, only 1's positive. We're negative $1,200 going into tomorrow. So, it just doesn't look good. Nothing looks good. Absolutely nothing looks good. I'll show you where the problem, kind of what's happening. This first one is in Aspirion. Now we only lost $1,000. No, I'm sorry. We're holding Aspirion. This is open trade. We get into this and we get this pop up here. We're making some money up here. And then it just fails, and we're down about $1,000 in this. But the same pattern you're going to see that in the other 2 stocks I'm showing you. It's just they go up and they cannot hold, they cannot sustain higher prices at all. They don't close near their high. They just fall apart after one of these little pops at the beginning of the day. You'll see that again. And the one stock that we have a little profit in here, if I can find it. Where am I? I'm sorry. Here we go. This is Radius Health. And we've had some really good trades with Radius Health. So I was very hopeful. We get a good breakout here at the beginning of the day. We get in, and it goes up, 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 and this looks like it's going to really scream, and then it peters out. It just peters out. And we're still holding $2,000 profit in Radius Health, but I just don't have a good feeling for this when it does this thing at the beginning of the day and then fades. And who knows what's going to happen tomorrow with this. I have no idea, but this doesn't look good to me. Even though we're up 2,000, it doesn't look good to me. And this is another one. You're going to see the same pattern here, but this one was just a disaster. This is VBLT, Vascular Biogenics. Vascular Biogenics, we bought this thing yesterday, and again, you see this pattern where it goes up at the beginning of the day, and then it fades. But we're really loaded up here, and so when it fades down here, we're down to about 10,000 bucks. Here it comes back. When it closed, we're negative about 5,000, and then down it goes today and stops us out. So we end up losing over $9,000 on this thing. Really tough trade. And you know, you look at the rest of the day, obviously this thing just can't build on this nice rally at the beginning of yesterday. It can't. They're selling it. Everybody's selling. It seems like everybody's selling anything that goes up, and that's what's causing us problems. You know, we buy things on breakouts. We expect them to keep going. They don't keep going. Sellers come in and sell them. That's why we're losing money. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.